Digital marketing has become one of the fastest-growing businesses in Kenya because more companies are moving online to attract customers. From small shops and restaurants to large companies, businesses now depend on social media, search engines, websites, email marketing, and online advertising to reach more people. This creates a huge opportunity for anyone with digital marketing skills. The good news is that you do not need millions of Kenyan shillings to start. With a laptop, a reliable internet connection, the right skills, and determination, you can build a profitable digital marketing agency that serves clients across Kenya and even internationally. A digital marketing agency helps businesses promote their products and services online. The work may include managing social media accounts, creating content, running online advertisements, improving search engine rankings, building websites, email marketing, graphic design, video marketing, and analyzing campaign results. Some agencies also offer branding, photography, and copywriting services. You do not have to offer every service when starting. It is better to focus on a few services that you can deliver well before expanding. The first step is learning the necessary skills. Digital marketing changes regularly, so continuous learning is important. You should understand social media marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, website management, and basic graphic design. Free and affordable online courses are available from trusted learning platforms, making it possible to gain practical knowledge without spending a lot of money. Practice by creating your own website or social media pages and experimenting with different marketing techniques. After gaining the required skills, choose a business niche. Instead of trying to serve every business, specialize in industries where you can provide the best results. You may focus on real estate companies, schools, hospitals, restaurants, hotels, online shops, law firms, churches, beauty salons, or agricultural businesses. Specializing allows you to understand your clients better and makes it easier to market your agency. Choose a professional business name that is easy to remember. Register the business through the government registration system so you can operate legally. A sole proprietorship is suitable for many beginners, although some entrepreneurs prefer registering a limited company as they grow. Business registration costs are relatively affordable, while county business permits vary depending on the county where you operate. You should also obtain the necessary tax registration and comply with all legal requirements before serving clients. Operating legally builds trust with customers and larger organizations. One advantage of starting a digital marketing agency is that you can begin from home. A small office is not necessary during the early stages. Your startup costs mainly include a laptop, internet connection, smartphone, software subscriptions, and marketing expenses. If you already own a laptop, you may begin with between 20,000 Kenyan shillings and 100,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the tools you choose. Many excellent marketing tools offer free versions that are suitable for beginners. Invest in the right equipment. A modern laptop with sufficient memory will allow you to manage multiple projects smoothly. A reliable internet connection is essential because most of your work will be done online. A smartphone helps you monitor social media accounts, communicate with clients, and create quick content. As your business grows, you may also invest in a quality camera, microphone, lighting equipment, and faster computers for content production. Build a professional online presence before looking for clients. Create a simple website that explains your services, pricing, portfolio, and contact information. Your website should demonstrate your own marketing skills. If you claim to help businesses rank on search engines, your own website should be well optimized. If you promise excellent social media management, your agency's social media pages should be active and engaging. Create a portfolio even if you have no paying clients. Offer free or discounted services to a few local businesses, friends, or community organizations in exchange for testimonials and permission to showcase your work. Before and after examples are powerful because potential clients want proof that your strategies produce results. Pricing your services correctly is another important decision. Many beginners charge too little because they fear losing clients. Instead, calculate the value you provide and the time required for each project. Social media management for a small business may cost between 15,000 Kenyan shillings and 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month, depending on the amount of work involved. Search engine optimization, website design, paid advertising management, and content creation can be charged separately or combined into monthly packages. As your experience grows, your prices should also increase. Finding your first clients may seem difficult, but many opportunities exist. Start by approaching businesses in your local area. Many small businesses have social media accounts that are inactive or poorly managed. Politely explain how better online marketing can increase their sales. Attend business networking events, entrepreneurship meetings, and trade exhibitions where business owners gather. Join professional groups on social media and participate by sharing useful advice instead of only advertising your services. Referrals can become your biggest source of business. When clients are satisfied, they naturally recommend your services to others. Deliver quality work, communicate professionally, meet deadlines, and provide regular reports showing the results of your campaigns. Happy clients often become long-term customers who provide steady monthly income. Customer service is just as important as marketing skills. Reply to messages promptly, listen carefully to your clients' goals, and explain marketing concepts in simple language. Many business owners are unfamiliar with digital marketing terminology. They appreciate agencies that communicate clearly and honestly without making unrealistic promises. Managing finances wisely is essential. Separate your personal money from your business income. Keep accurate financial records and monitor your monthly expenses. Save part of your profits for taxes, equipment upgrades, marketing, and future expansion. Good financial discipline helps your agency survive during slow business periods. As your workload increases, you may not be able to do everything alone. You can begin outsourcing specialized tasks to freelancers such as graphic designers, website developers, photographers, copywriters, video editors, and search engine optimization specialists. Eventually, you may hire full-time employees when your revenue becomes stable. Building a reliable team allows your agency to serve more clients without reducing quality. Technology continues to transform digital marketing. Artificial intelligence tools can help with content ideas, research, customer support, data analysis, and workflow automation. However, these tools should support your work rather than replace human creativity and strategic thinking. Businesses still value agencies that understand their customers, create original ideas, and build genuine relationships. Competition in the digital marketing industry continues to grow, but there is still plenty of room for new agencies that deliver excellent results. Many businesses struggle to manage their online presence effectively. If you consistently help clients generate more leads, increase sales, and strengthen their brands, your reputation will spread naturally. One common mistake made by beginners is trying to offer every digital marketing service immediately. This often leads to poor quality work. Start with services you understand well, master them, and gradually expand your offerings as your knowledge and team grow. Quality is always more valuable than offering too many services without expertise. Patience is essential because building a successful agency takes time. Your first few months may involve learning, networking, and finding clients. Some months may bring high income, while others may be quieter. Continue improving your skills, marketing your own business, and providing excellent service. Over time, recurring monthly contracts can provide stable and predictable income. Starting a digital marketing agency in Kenya is one of the most practical business opportunities in today's digital economy. It requires more knowledge and consistency than large amounts of capital. With continuous learning, professionalism, excellent customer service, and measurable results, you can build a respected agency that serves businesses throughout Kenya and beyond. The digital economy continues to expand, and entrepreneurs who position themselves as trusted marketing partners have a strong chance of building a sustainable and profitable business for many years to come.